gentle to yourself. You're doing the best you can, and that is plenty. Life is complicated, and perfect outcomes are neither essential nor realistic. Leave perfection at the door. Progress prefers open windows. Being human means learning on the move. That's expected. One honest breath can reset the day. Notice your efforts, even when the results fall short of your hopes. Celebrate small victories. Don't overlook them as insignificant. Remember, a thoughtful approach fosters growth more effectively than a severe critique ever could. Treat your heart and mind with kindness, knowing they work through complex layers each day. Understand that sincerity and effort carry deep meaning. You're enough exactly as you are, in all your beautifully perfect imperfections.